Good morning, folks. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. All right, like I promised, I'm going to be showing you what the batteries looks like on the Daly BMS app. Here I've downloaded my Daly BMS. I've downloaded the most recent from Google Play Store. Before I launch the app, just make sure that you have your Bluetooth turned on. All right, so then let's go. All right, so here I have my Daly BMS app. Here I'm going to tap on these, and here this is how I named I named the Bluetooth, right? So DIY 14s100p. Just tap on that, and so here is the overview page of the app. At the top here, I have my voltage 45.8. No current now. It hasn't been charged. Hasn't discharged. It's the first time of connecting and putting everything together. And then you have 254. Actually, each pack is 260 each. This has been balancing for the last 2 days. I guess that's the reason why you have reduction in the capacity you're seeing there. Okay, good. So let's move on. That's not also accurate until I charge and discharge. Be able to have the accurate data there. I have my charge MOSFET on, my discharge MOSFET on. Balancing status is off. I don't think this BMS supports inbuilt. I don't think it has inbuilt balancing features. All right, so heating status off. This is not also hooked up with any heating device. State of charge is 97.8. This is not accurate. This not doesn't be calibrated. Let's move on. Here you see the temperature info. If you know BMS very well, if you know Daly BMS very well, you have the two temperature sensors together in a connector. Okay, so the first connector has two temperature sensors, which T1 and T2. T1 and T2 are reading the same. That's 29, 29. And then the long one, the second one that I bought separately, it didn't come with the BMS. I purchased it from Daly BMS official store because I need to also utilize the second interface, the NTC interface. So I bought a long one. I've noticed that this long one is always reading higher than the first one. It's always reading 31, 30, not accurate. Only I guess BMS, Daily BMS can answer that. But I know that T1 and T2 are reliable. The data are reliable. Whatever I get there is what I base my judgment with. Okay, so you have the temperature info there. Here you have the cell strengths. You have the 14 series from pack 1 to pack 14. They are all reading 3.272. 3.272, some are reading 3.271. I don't know why that is happening. You see cell 1 and cell 9. Pack 1 and pack 9 are reading 3.271. And the active balancer and the BMS are doing their work to make sure that everything is well balanced. Okay, so this is looking great to me. Everything is balanced. So far I'm seeing 3.2, 3.2, 3.2. It looks great. If I go on to control, put the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's default password. I guess I have to try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so here I have battery type ternary lithium. Why? It was lithium. Okay. Oh, ternary lithium. That's how they label it now. Okay, great. Looking at it again, I see rated capacity to 60. This is what I configured there. Sleep wait time, all that the configuration that I did. Everything looks great. Now, if you go to settings on the voltage current, these are settings that I have here. Cell over volts protect 4.18. I don't want it to go beyond 4.18. Yeah, if it is 4.18, it's okay. Anything beyond 4.18 should see it as overvolt, and then it should kick in and protect it. 4.18 is not bad. Don't want it to be fully charged. I don't want to tolerate overcharge or something like that. And then I see the next is cell under volt protect. I don't want it to go below 3.0, though it can still accommodate 2.7 and all that, but 3.0, it should cut off 3.0. And then this is going to be the total. If you multiply 4.18 by 14, you get 58.8. If you also multiply 3.0 by 14, you get 42 volts. And voltage difference 0.8, that's default. Charge over current protect 300 amps. Default is the BMS can the BMS is rated 200 amps continuous. I think charge over current protect of 300 is not bad. I'm still thinking probably I need to reduce that to 250 amps. But let's see. Discharge, I did the same. Short circuit current, if it is going beyond 2000 amps, it should it should you know it should protect short circuit current. I guess this 2000 is way high. If there's short circuits going beyond going beyond um, going beyond 350, or let's say 300 amps, it's fine. Yeah, short circuits going beyond 300 amps. Let me do going beyond short circuit, going beyond 350, right? It should kick in and protect. All right, that's fine. I don't want 2000. Short circuits current. Hardware short circuit protect. Hardware short circuit protect. How can you close that? You need to open that. All right, that needs to be open. If there's hardware short circuit, it should protect, right? Cell string is 14. Current calculation 0. I don't know what this means, but I've left it like that. Current calibration. If you know what to set here, you can drop it for me in the comment section. The next is current collection switch. Uh, Current collection switch. Which one is VADC? Interesting. I don't know, but I'll find out later. Current sampling resistor. Current sampling resistor. I don't know. So if you know what these settings should be, just drop it for me in the comment section, and I'll be glad to adopt them. All right, let's move on to temperature settings. Charge high temperature protect, that's 65, that's okay. Charge low 5, this is Nigeria, so 5 degrees Celsius is fine. Discharge 60, discharge low temperature, that's fine. Temperature difference protects 15 degrees Celsius, that's not bad. Fan start, this is also not bad. Heating start temperature, heating stop temperature, all that are great. Temperature control quantity to disable NTC offline protect. Disable NTC offline protect. What does that mean? What does that mean? If you know what it means, advise me in the comment section. So this is the temperature setting. Let's move on to balancing settings. Balancing start voltage 4.18, that's what I said there. Balancing stop 3.0. Balancing start voltage difference and all that. 1 amps active balancing switch. Active balance switch. Oh, I made that open. Again, some of this I don't understand. If you know what it means, you can advise me in the comment. And the last one is the cells parameter. So that ternary lithium 260 sleep with time. I don't know what that means. Again, I just leave the default there. SOC, you know what should be the right setting for SOC, how to calibrate it to reflect my current voltage, my current voltage level 3.2. Let me know, or maybe maybe it's automatic. When I begin to charge and discharge, it's going to correct itself. Just drop that for me. SOC calibration 0. Just I don't know about this too. SOC calibration 100. I don't know about this. You can advise what to put there. Inverter type, I'll be using the battery with my grow watt inverter. Communication is RS48, RS485. Yeah, so you also have CAN there if you want to use CAN, which is great. One wire protocol. What is that? What is that? What is all this? JH1, XN2, JP. If you know what it stands for, so just put it down for me in the comment section. Third party protocol, I don't know what that means. Capacity length switch. Capacity length switch. What does that mean? Capacity length switch. I don't know. Slave board address 1. And BMS software updates. Yeah, so pretty much that's what I have in my settings, and that's everything that I've done regarding the BMS. All right. Again, so I'd like to thank you for taking time to watch my video up to this level. Thank you so much. Just whatever you feel about this video, about what I've talked about, you can drop them for me in my in the comment section. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I'm going to be taking time to go to provide quality videos for you, most especially in the next project that I'll be starting next year. Thank you, everyone. See you some other time. Bye.